Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. Here we have the RYOBI ONE+ drill driver, an essential for any toolbox. This is ideal for drilling into wood or metal and for completing screwdriving applications. In the box you will find the drill driver as well as a double-ended bit for driving screws into wood. Depending on the kits you purchase, it may also come with a battery and charger. You can see here the 13mm ratcheting locking chuck. This is a really handy feature as it means you can quickly switch between accessories like augers, hole saws and larger drill bits. The ratchet chuck speedily secures the drill bits in place. This ensures they don't work themselves loose when you're drilling. This ONE+ drill driver features a 2-speed gearbox, delivering up to 1,750 RPM and has 24 torque settings, allowing you to adjust the power and speed to match the material and task, so you can drive screws flush every time. Thanks to the 52 Nm of torque, you can easily drill into wood with this large 20mm auger bit. If you ever need to work in tight dark spaces, you can be sure to see your workspace with this handy LED light. This drill driver is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there we have it, the RYOBI ONE+ cordless drill driver, an all-purpose tool for your everyday DIY projects.